Hi everyone, welcome back to your coffee break with ChinesePod. I'm Alice.
Hi, 大家好，欢迎来到中文播客，我是庆林。在公司中，常常有机会和老板或同事聊天。怎么聊天才能让别人觉得你比较好相处呢？
One thing we are all familiar with is making small talk, especially in the office space, where silence can make you sometimes feel a little socially awkward. In today's lesson, we are going to teach you some common conversation fillers you can use in Chinese.
没错，聊天的技巧很重要。今天我们就来讨论一下，让我们开始吧。
Some things are inevitable, such as running into your colleague or taking the same elevator as your boss. Lynn, what are some topics you might say in situations like these?
我怕说错话，所以我都说一些生活上的事。
Like what? Are there some icebreakers we can learn?
有，比如周末有什么计划啊？这样我们就有很多东西可以聊。
So for example, what are you up to this weekend?
我也常常说你看起来怎么样？比如您看起来气色很好。
That's true. I've noticed that Chinese people like to use topics of appearances as a conversation starter, such as, you look radiant today.
你也可以说你看起来很有精神。
Another way to start a conversation is speaking about current affairs. You can use the following sentence structure. 你听说 something something 了吗? Such as the increase in oil price.
你听说油价要涨了吗？也可以说你听说他要结婚了吗？
Or have you heard that someone is getting married?
开始聊天之后，我们也要知道该怎么回答。
Yes, indeed. Holding a conversation is just as important as starting one. You can use the following phrases to agree to an opinion, followed by your thoughts.
如果我们同意对方的话，我们可以说的确如此。
Which means that's true.
如此就是这样的意思，所以我们也可以说的确是这样。我们也可以说您说的对。
Which means you're correct.
您说的很有道理。
道理 means sense, so this simply means that makes a lot of sense.
我们也常常可以听到我也这么认为。
Which means I agree.
你也可以说我有同感。同感就是同样的感觉。我们来做个练习吧。现在我是老板。
And I'll be your employee.
我觉得我们公司的员工最近挺辛苦的。
我也这么认为。
也许大家需要好好休息一下。
老板，你说的很有道理。
不如我们来个员工旅游吧。
员工旅游 a corporate getaway. 当然好。Let's try a different scenario.
我还是老板。最近订单很少啊。
So our recent purchasing orders have decreased. 的确是这样。
应该是因为淡季。
So it might be because of low season. 淡季。你说的很有道理，我也这么认为。
不过我们还是得好好加油。
的确如此。There are also certain phrases we can use as conversation fillers to express that we're surprised or confused in the form of a rhetorical question.
当我们很惊讶或是怀疑的时候，我们可以这样说：怎么会这样？
So how is that possible?
真的吗？
Or really? Or you can use 吧 at the end of the sentence to soften the tone when expressing uncertainty or suspicion.
比如我们可以说不会吧，不是吧，不可能吧。
Let's do another practice as colleagues now. 你最近怎么样啊？
最近的投资都赔钱。
So recent investments are all at a loss. 怎么会这样？
不知道啊，今年很倒霉。
不会吧，没事，会越来越好的。Let's change the scenario to a topic that Chinese people love to talk about: health.
您最近怎么样？
最近身体不太好，常跑医院。
真的吗？怎么会这样？
可能是老了吧？
不是吧，只是比较累而已，好好休息就没事了。
There are also phrases you can use to invite your colleague to speak more on a topic.
如果人家话说到一半，你可以接着说。接下来呢
？So what happened next? We often end the sentence using 呢 which means what about?
比如，然后呢
？So and then?
再来呢
What next?
也可以说结果呢
What happened afterwards?
最后在聊天的时候，你可能也常常听到老板说自己很厉害。
So when the topic is centered on someone's achievement, we can respond with the following phrases.
我们可以用真不愧是什么，比如真不愧是老板。
So indeed he's worthy of being known as a boss.
也可以说真不愧是专家。
Indeed he's worthy of being known as a professional.
我们也可以用难怪，比如难怪早早就当上主管。
难怪 means no wonder. So no wonder he got promoted to a manager.
也可以说怪不得早早就当上主管。
Here you can replace 难怪 with 怪不得。
当然也有比较简单的方式，比如佩服佩服。
Yes, so you can also respond to one's achievement by saying 佩服佩服 which means I admire you.
也可以直接说厉害厉害
which simply means excellent.
最后我们来做个练习吧。我第一次和客户吃饭的时候就喝醉了。
结果呢？
生意就失败了。
后来呢？
后来我就开始练习喝酒，跟老板学谈生意，每天加班到很晚。
佩服佩服，真不愧是您，难怪早早就当上经理了。
今天我们学了一些在聊天的时候会说的话，比如您说的对。
That's correct.
怎么会这样？
How is that possible?
真不愧是老板。
Indeed, he's worthy of being known as a boss.
你有趣的聊天经验吗？欢迎和我们分享。如果你有任何问题，也欢迎给我们留言，我们会很快回复您。我是庆玲
I'm Alice.
下次见，拜拜。
ChinesePod.